Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we can see how to launch Firefox and Edge browser using Selenium Webdriver. Let's get started. In the last video, we have seen how to open a Google home page using Google Chrome browser. So here we can start with Firefox. So if you want to know more about how to create a new project and new package, please refer the first video. I have given the link in this video description. Now let's create a class. So for that, go to this package, right click and select new and select class. Here give the name for the class. Open Google with Firefox. And now click on this checkbox and click finish. Now the class is created. Now we can write the script. First we need to launch the Firefox browser. So for that we need to give the instruction to the system to open the browser. For that the syntax is system dot set property. Here we need to pass two values. One is the browser name, another one is the second one is the browser's executable path. So the name should be under double quotes WebDriver dot. In the first video, the name which we given is WebDriver.chrome.driver. That is for Google Chrome. So here we are going to launch the Firefox browser. So the name of the Firefox browser which we need to give in Selenium is WebDriver.gco.driver. And then second parameter is the exe path. So we need to download this gco driver. For that, go to this selenium.dev/downloads website, scroll down and click on this browsers. Here we can see Firefox. Click on this documentation and again click on gco driver releases. Here based on your OS version, you can download the driver file. If it is 32-bit OS, you can download this one, and if Windows version is 64-bit, you can download this one. I have already downloaded, and this is my driver file, and the driver is in this path. So copy this path and paste here, and then give the driver name. As I mentioned in the first video, in Selenium, whatever path we give, we need to give 2 \. So here we are going to write two test cases. One is open Firefox browser, and the second one is open Google homepage. Now we need to create an object for the browser, WebDriver, and the object name is driver equal to new Firefox driver. Here we can see some errors. So to solve this error, click on this X mark and it will show import WebDriver. Now double click on this import driver. So you can see the import code is added. Now again we are seeing one more error. Again click on this and import the Firefox driver. So now this will launch the Firefox browser. So the second test case is open Google homepage. So for that, use this object name driver.get. Here we need to give the URL of the web page which we are going to open. https://www.google.co.in. Now we can run this script. So right click on this class and select run as Java application. Now the Google home page is opened through Firefox browser. So if you want to maximize this window, we can write one more line of script like driver dot manage of window dot maximize. Now again run the same script and select Java application. Okay, now the browser is open and maximized. Now let's see how to launch the Edge browser using Selenium Webdriver. So again go to this package, right click, select new and select the class and give the name for the class. Open Google with Edge and select this checkbox and click on finish. Now the class is created. Now we can write the script. So here we are going to open Edge browser and open Google homepage. So we can follow the same script which we wrote before for Google Chrome and Firefox. System dot set property, and here we need to pass two parameters. One is the browser name and the path. So for Chrome we gave webdriver.chrome.driver, and for Firefox we gave like webdriver.gcode.driver, and for Edge browser the name should be webdriver.edge.driver. And we need to download the Edge driver from the Selenium website. Go to this website and go to Edge and click on this documentation. And we have multiple versions here. So based on your browser's version, you need to download. So my version is, to check the version of the Edge browser, go to settings, go to help and feedback and click on about Microsoft Edge. And here we can see the version 110.01587.57. So I need to download this one, and my OS version is 64-bit. I need to download this one. So I have already downloaded, and this is my Edge driver. Now copy this path and give the path here, and then enter the driver name. .exe and give 2 \. Now create an object webdriver driver equal to new Edge driver of. It is showing 2 errors, so click on this and import the WebDriver and also import the Edge driver. Now open the web page driver.get, and here just give the URL. Now to run this script, right click, select run as and select Java application. Yeah, now we have opened the Google home page using Edge browser. So if you want to maximize the screen, the same line we can write here also, driver dot manage of window maximize. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any clarification, please mention in the comments, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.